Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to our channel. And for this video, we're going to celebrate the happy 8th month of our baby boy, Jason Daniel, with an unboxing of X-Men Weapon X. Let's go! Okay, so let's take a look at our Marvel Legends X-Men Weapon X figure. This has been with me for the longest time, so that's why there are already tears in the box. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. This is from the Age of Apocalypse wave and the Build the Figure Sugarman wave. We see here on the side Weapon X Wolverine. On the other side, the same illustration. And at the back, a bigger illustration of Weapon X with a short description. Armed with adamantium claws and superhuman healing abilities, Weapon X joins the battle against Apocalypse. And he is set number 5, which should contain the left leg of Sugarman. But as you can see, it's a KLB piece. So meaning, kinuha lang ang buff. There's no buff part. So before we unbox this, as always, we're going to look at Heroclix figures of Weapon X. And there's actually just one figure of Weapon X. And I'm sharing to you all my figures with the Age of Apocalypse keywords. And one of them, as I said, would be the Weapon X figure. Okay, the one and only Weapon X Age of Apocalypse figure in Heroclix. Oops! Don't worry, it's really meant to be removable. Okay. So let's see. Let us put it here so we can take a look further at the figure. So Weapon X has the keywords Age of Apocalypse, Spy, and X-Men. And he has a trait, Sneak. When an opposing character takes damage from his close attack, after actions resolve, you may attach the slash marker to that character. So this is the slash marker. Removing it from anywhere else. When the character with the slash marker is given an action token, deal it 1 penetrating damage. When that character heals or clears action tokens, remove the slash marker. So it's like giving him an injury, and that character is attacking with an injury, so that's why he's dealing 1 damage penetrating to himself. And a special movement, still the best in the business. When Weapon X can use charge, sidestep, and stealth. Okay. So 80 points. And yeah, he also has, Okay, and take a look at that comic cover. Age of Apocalypse. Okay. I mentioned that this is removable because I think it has something to do with the mechanics of the Age of X Colossus. So more like the fastball special. Okay, but anyway, that's not the focus of the video. We're just here to look at Age of Apocalypse Weapon X. So If you're not familiar with Age of Apocalypse, don't worry. I'm also not so familiar. But it's one of those X-Men dystopian future wherein, as the name suggests, Apocalypse ruled humanity, I guess. Okay. So, and Wolverine has a broken, cut off arm. Okay. So, that is the Heroclix version of Age of Apocalypse. So let's go ahead and move on to our main event, which is the unboxing of our Marvel Legend figures. So this figure comes with one part, which is the no-claw Wolverine. Okay, so this should already be open. So box quality is terrible with dust and tear, but that's fine. We are an out-of-the-box collector for Marvel Legends, so we don't keep all of this. The Age of Apocalypse. Then here we are, Wolverine in 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. And let's take out the extra piece. And as always, we're going to try to pose it like our Heroclix figure. Oops. That's already the third time, I guess. Okay, so let's replace. Let's check the joints, tight joints. Okay. I collect try to collect at least all the Wolverine Marvel Legend variants. Okay. Okay, looks good. So let's take out the claw and replace it with a severed hand. Oh, how do you take it out? There we go. Let's replace it with a severed hand. Okay. So knees are up. One knee, the left knee is up and posed like this, and the other one is stretch out. Okay, stretch out. Okay, against the wall. And then the hands are attack mode. The other hands with the claw in front. Okay, so this is really the problem with Wolverines. It's hard to get the claw right or straight. Okay, but that's fine. Okay, and then the face moving forward. I'll just take him out. So this is the pose for that Heroclix and Marvel Legends figures. Close enough. Other side. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Who among the Age of Apocalypse characters do you like the most? Put it in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your day. And again, happy 8 months. Baby jascent. Daddy loves you.